Import and export. Imagine being able to import all your local sound files into new Vadi Sound Library. Let's say you have sounds you need to edit for a game, or just you want to manage your files. After downloading Vadi Sound Library, we see three different sections on the upper left: Cloud, Local, and Favorites. After opening the Local section, you'll see the plus sign just below. Click on it and choose one of the two different import types on the pop-up menu. Then, you can create directories in here and edit your own sounds metadata and export CSV files with ease. It's that simple. High-quality sounds, simple solutions with Vadi Sound Library. Join us now.